It's what a business owner has to do. So lunch breaks are for business. I'm moving to a new warehouse. I'm also, I had to do all my Marcon returns. Marcon doesn't have a facility that we can actually go in, so anything in Dallas, you have to pay for shipping. So I had to pay for shipping for all the parts, which they have a good shipping program, $11 flat rate for whatever. But also, when you have a return, you have to ship it back. So I just had 8 returns. Cost me $56 to ship them back. It's just the cost of doing business, man. But I get the best product. I get 1-day shipping on most items. I ordered 3 parts from there. It'll be in tomorrow. But, you just have to factor that in if you run a business the way I do. I order parts before I get to the customer's location so that I can try and make sure I have all the parts at hand. So this right here causes you to have extra parts and have to do return. So in saying that, just make sure you factor those things in.